Okay, so let us continue yung topic natin sa probability. So yung susunod is repeated trials probability. Repeated trials na probability. Or kung minsan tinatawag nila na binomial. Okay, so we have a formula. The probability that an event will occur exactly r times out of n trials is p is equal to n combination of r, okay, multiplied by p raised to r, then q raised to n less r. Okay, wherein yung p, that is the probability of success, and yung q naman dyan is wait, parehas yung p natin dito na dalawa. Palitan natin ito ng maliit na p. Na lang natin to. Ay, delete naman na lahat. Okay, so p na maliit raised to r, and then q na maliit raised to n less r, wherein yung q dyan is the probability of failure, then yung p naman na maliit is the probability of success. Take note also na yung p or yung success, yung sum ng success saka ng failure is equal to always 1 yan. Okay, so ito yung example ng repeated probability, ay yung paulit-ulit na ginagawa. No? For example, mag-shoot ka ng bola, ano kaya yung probability na mag-shoot mo yung bola sa 5 trial? So parang ganun, no? So let's have an example. So number 14, a coin is tossed 10 times. What is the probability of getting exactly 6 times? Okay, so number 14. So 10 times daw, no? 10 times mo na itotos yung coin. Ano kaya yung probability na exactly 6 ang lalabas ay head, tao or tao. Okay? So formula, ayan, i-apply lang natin yan. Probability is equal to n 10 times, tapos yung r is the exactly, no? Yung kailangan mo 6, tapos ang probability na mag-success ka ay 0.5, no? Kasi nga tao at saka ibon lang naman yan eh, or head tsaka tail lang naman yung nalabas, kaya 50%. So this is 6, and then yung q natin is 0.5 din lang, kasi nga 1 less 0.5 is 0.5. This is n less r o 10 less 6. Okay? Or for example, ito ay 6, automatic na ito ay 4 kasi nga 10. So yan. So the probability is equal to 0.2051. Yan. Next, find the probability that a couple having 3 children will have at least 1 girl, no? Okay, so number 15. So minsan kasi yung problem, mas madali siyang isolve kung applyan natin ng complementary na probability. So probability is equal to 1 minus probability na lahat ang lalabas ay boy. Tama ba? At least 1. Wait lang. Tama. Or sabihin na lang natin that this is equal to the probability ng 1 minus yung lalabas ay puro mga lalaki or hindi babae, no? Okay? So, i-apply natin to. So, this is equal to 1 less 3 daw, sabi niya eh. So, 3, combination of 3. Ayan, and then 0.5, kasi nga, ano lang naman yan eh, lalaki tsaka babae, kaya 0.5. So, ang R mo is 3, no? Tapos 0.5, ang N mo is 3 din lang, less 3. So, 0 na yung part na ito. So, yung probability mo is 7/8. Okay? Next, if 7 fair coins are simultaneously tossed in air, what is the probability that at least one will land heads up? Okay, so magtutos ka ng 7 na coins, no? 7 na coins yan. Ayan. So parang ang ginawa mo nun is parehas lang doon sa ununa mo yung isa, sunod mo yung isa, then sunod yung pangatlo, parang gano'n. Parehas lang naman yun sa minsanan yung 7, no? 7 na coin. Okay? So parang repeated na rin siya, repeated. So ano kaya yung probability na at least isang tao yung lalabas? Okay? Para maging mas simple yan, probability is equal to 1 minus probability na ang lalabas ay tail lahat. Okay, so ganyan. That is equal to 1 less, so 7 daw. So 7 combination of 7, tapos 0.5 raised to 7, and then 0.5 raised to 7 less 7. So this is equal to 0.992. Okay. Next, manufacturer has determined that a certain machine averages one defective bolt for every 1,000 it produces. No? So kada 1,000 daw na ma-produce, isa lang yung defective doon. Ano kaya yung probability na sa 200 na i-order ay mayroong 1 or more defective? Okay? Or kung sisimplify natin, pwede nating sabihin na at least 1. Okay? 1 defective. 1 or more sabi niya. So, at least 1. Parang ganun na din yung ibig sabihin niya. Okay? So, pwede natin gawing complementary to na ang probability that is equal to 1 minus walang defective. Okay? 1 minus. So, number 17. So the probability is equal to 1 less probability na no defect. Okay? This is 1 and then 200, no? Combination of lahat sa 200 na yan. Tapos probability na walang defect is 999 over 1,000. Okay, kasi nga ang probability na may defect is 1. Okay? And then ilang 200. Tapos probability na may defect is 1 over 1,000 raised to 200 less 200. So the probability is equal to 0.181. Okay? Ayan. Next, in a multiple choice test, each question is to be answered by selecting 1 out of 4 different proposed answers, of which only 1 is right. If there are 10 questions in the test, what is the probability of getting 7 right? Pure guesswork. So, tsambahan na lang to, no? Okay, ayan. So, number 18, probability is equal to bali 10 lahat yung questions. Ang kailangan mong tama ay 7. So, ang probability mo na success is 0.25 kasi nga 1 out, isa doon sa 4. So, 1 over 4 is 0.25 and then 7 and then 0.75. Automatic na ito ay 3 na to, no? Kasi nga 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So, this is 0.00. Ano na yung sagot? 31. Tama ba? 0.0031. So, napakaliit yung chance mo na makakuha ng 7. Or pwede rin naman ganito. Probability is equal to 1 less. Tatlo yung tama mo. Parehas lang yun, no? So, kapag tatlo, 10C3, tapos 0.25, 3, tapos 0.75, tapos ito ay 7. Check natin kung tama, no? Okay, so this is 0.75. Mali ito, mali ito. So, maling discard ito, no? Okay, so that's all for probability problems. Thank you for listening.